Welcome to Hgreglux. Here we have a 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLS 550. This SUV came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Here I do see some chips or scratches right here and a little bit of chipping here, but everything else looks good. Let's take a look at the hood of the car. Alright, I'm not seeing no paint chips or scratches on the hood. So let's move on to the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect and the wheel has no curb rash. Take a look at the driver's side doors. The front and back door looks good. I'm not seeing no paint chips or scratches. Let's move on to the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel is in excellent condition, no dents, no scratches, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the back of the SUV. The trunk looks perfect. I do not see any scratches on it, and the back bumper is in excellent condition as well. Now we're going to take a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel is in excellent condition. I do not see any scratches or dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. Now we're going to take a look at the passenger side doors. The front and back door are perfect. I'm not seeing no dents or scratches there at all. Now we're going to take a look at the last fender and wheel, and this fender is in excellent condition. No scratches, no dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this SUV is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. And first we're going to start off with the driver's seat. Perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. Excellent. Everything here looks great. Let's move on to the back seat. Perfect. Now we're going to have a look at the third row seats and make sure that we do not have any wear and tear. Perfect. So the driver's side is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger side. All right, that seat looks very good. Let's have a look at the door panel. Perfect. Let's move on to the back seat. Excellent. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the radio. This car has navigation, also backup and 360 camera. Let's take a look at the center console and make sure that we do not have any wear and tear in here at all. Okay, everything here looks perfect. Let's take a look at the steering wheel. Beautiful. Everything here is in excellent condition. So the interior of this SUV is in good condition. Now we're going to take a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.